class, we recently read the poem Jabberwocky by Lewis Carroll. Some of the words in this poem are not real words, but were made up by the author. The highlighted words are words Lewis Carroll made up. Lewis Carroll didn't completely start from scratch, though, when he made up new words for the poem. His words are a combination of two existing words. This combination is called portmanteau. By definition, portmanteau means a literary device in which two or more words are joined together to coin a new word. For example, the word slithy combines the words slimy and lithe. Mimsy combines flimsy and miserable. And frumious combines fuming and furious. There are other examples at the end of the poem, including galumping, which is gallop and triumphant, frabjous, which combines fabulous and joyous, and then chortled, which is my personal favorite, combines chuckle and snort. This word, although it was made up by Lewis Carroll, is actually quite common and has stuck with us as a part of everyday language. For your next writing assignment, you will be writing what's called a nonsense poem, modeled after Jabberwocky. The first step is to create your own portmanteau words. You'll need to come up with nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and some exclamation. Though the words are made up, they should still follow the conventions of standard English grammar and usage. To help you get started, we will use this website. The link is on the handout as well as on the class website. As it says, you can enter up to 5 words to be combined. For the best results, though, I suggest combining only 2 words and 3 at the very most. Let's start by creating a noun. Nouns are person, places, or things, so let's try a place. We can do school and home. You just type in the 2 words that you want to do with a space in between them, and then hit enter. The website will generate results for you, but it's up to you to decide which combination sounds the best and will work for your purposes. Although the word should sound silly, you want it to still carry some meaning, and we would like to also be able to pronounce it. Shoom, or even shum, could be good candidates. We can pronounce them and they still carry some meaning and sound like a place. This word and that one, however you would say them, would probably be poor choices. Let's try a verb. We can try wander and waltz. Again, you just enter both words with a space and hit enter. This combination comes up with multiple options that would all work well. Just decide what sounds best to you. You can also try an adjective. Let's try beautiful and glamorous. The longer the words, the more combinations you'll get. This can make it fun, but also challenging. Again, just try to pick a combination that sounds good to you, but still carries some meaning. You want your audience to be able to at least guess at the word's meaning. Although you are creating silly words, you don't want them to be really complicated, such as this word, or even this one. You could have words that are very simple and still be very effective. So you could try 2 very short words. For example, if you wanted to come up with an exclamation, you could do boo and arg. Both words are very short, so there aren't very many options, but you can still create a new word that sounds like nonsense and has some meaning because of its 2 root words. This website can be a lot of fun, so go ahead and play around and create words. Ask me for help if you need it, and also reference the worksheet that was handed out in class and is also posted online so you know how many portmanteau words you need to create.